Hi everyone. Some people start with 2 plus 3. Yes, you start to the left and work towards the right. So that's 5 times 4. That's 20. And 20 divided by 5, that's 4. And then you multiply 4 times 6. That gives you 24. So the answer is 24, and that is incorrect. Let me show you how to solve this tricky math problem using PEMDAS. And PEMDAS is saying that multiplication has higher priority than addition. And 3 times 4 equals 12. Good job. Next, I drop the 2 plus divided by 5 times 6. Division has higher priority than addition. So I solve 12 divided by 5. I don't know, so I write it in a fraction form. Next, I drop the 2, but in a fraction form, plus, and do the same for the 6 in a fraction form. That's an addition sign. So plus 12 over 5 times 6 over 1. Now you tell me, do I start with addition or multiplication? If you say addition, you are going to get the wrong answer. You start with multiplication. So I multiply across. 12 times 6, I don't know, so let's just multiply it like this. 2 times 6 is 12. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7, 72. And so 72 goes up there. Over 5 times 1 is 5. And 72 over 5 cannot be broken down further. Next, I erase all this for space and write or rewrite 72 over 5 closer to the plus sign and the 2 over 1. And I'll erase all this here so we have more space to work with. Notice that the denominators are different. So I use the butterfly method. So here are the wings, and you multiply what's inside the wings, and then you write the results above the antennas. And don't forget the body, which gives you the denominator. 1 times 5 is 5. Next, I multiply inside the wings. 2 times 5 is 10. And then 1 times 72, that's easy, 72. Next, I add those two numbers, which equals 82. And this is your improper fraction answer. 82 over 5 cannot be broken down further. Next, let's figure out the decimal answer and the mixed number answer using long division. Yes, I can get a mixed number answer because the numerator is bigger and the denominator is smaller. So I'll write these answers on this side of the board. So our first answer is 82 over 5. And then I'll do the rest here. So mixed number answer, decimal answer. And I'll erase this and then write the long division symbol. 82 goes inside, that's the dividend. 5 goes outside. How many times can 5 fit into 82? Well, I know that if it was 80 and this was 10, you can fit 10 into 80 8 times, right? So we have 5. So that means, well, it's half of 10. So that would be another 8. So that's 16. You can fit 5 into 80 16 times. So I write 16, and that gives you 16 times 5 is 80. And 82 minus 80 is 2. And so your mixed number answer, the whole number, is the 16. So I write the 16. The remainder 2 goes above the fraction bar, and then the 5 goes below the fraction bar. I'll continue the long division to figure out the decimal answer. You cannot fit 5 into 2, so the 2 needs to borrow a 0. So add a decimal after the 16 and give the 2 a 0. Now the 2 becomes 20. You can fit 5 into 20. How many times? 4 times. 4 times 5 is 20. And 20 minus 20 is 0. So your decimal answer is 16.4. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support. And if you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. And here is a happy face. And yes, you win. You receive a happy face and for doing a good job. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.